2003 Dodge Ram owners warns to stop driving their trucks immediately. FCA has issued a do not drive warning through NHTSA for approximately 29,000 unrepaired 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 pickups subject to Takata airbag recalls, similar to what Honda did earlier this year for the same reason. This announcement comes in the wake of a tragic incident on May 13th, in which a collision involving one of these vehicles led to a fatality caused by an exploding inflator. Stellantis stated that the crash caused the deployment of the vehicle's airbags, resulting in a serious injury to the front passenger, who was also the vehicle's owner. The nature of the injuries aligns with previous fatalities associated with Takata airbag inflators. Despite receiving 6 recall notices sent to the customer's home address, they all went unheeded. This is not the first time Stellantis has issued such a warning. In 2022, the company issued do not drive advisories for 4 other FCA brand vehicles from 2005 to 2010, namely the Dodge Magnum, Challenger, Charger, and Chrysler 300, all subject to Takata airbag recalls. The latter happened last year. The NHTSA confirmed the recent death as the first caused by an exploding passenger-side inflator, highlighting that it also marks the first incident involving a 2003 Dodge Ram. In 2015, nearly 386,000 vehicles, including the mentioned Dodge Rams, were recalled due to this issue. The NHTSA has confirmed 26 deaths in the United States caused by defective Takata airbags. NHTSA's acting administrator, Carlson, emphasized the growing danger of older defective Takata airbag inflators, urging vehicle owners to prioritize replacement. The older a defective Takata airbag inflator gets, the more dangerous it becomes. Please, get your airbag replaced now for your sake, and for the sake of those who love you. Don't put yourself or someone you love at risk of dying or being seriously injured because of a defective, recalled Takata airbag. These repairs are absolutely free and can save your life, Carlson said. As incidents related to Takata airbags continue to pose a significant risk, vehicle owners must respond promptly to recall notices and take their vehicles to authorized service centers for necessary repairs. Stellantis and the NHTSA strongly urge affected individuals to prioritize their safety by promptly addressing the Takata airbag recall.